welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're not doing hair, even though my hair does look different and you're probably wondering what's going on. I flat ironed my hair. Now I don't know what order this video is going to go up in because I have so many videos that are filmed but not edited. Some of them I don't have an ending to, and they were filmed months ago. And today is a terrible day, so I'm trying to feel better. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plan some makeup. I don't know if I want to do like an eye look or not, but I do know I want to plan some makeup. And I just got a new foundation. It is the Maybelline Super Stay 30-hour Lumi Matte Foundation in the shade 370, and I want to put on some makeup today. Let's see if this is a good foundation or not. I've been seeing people talk about it, so I want to try it. I don't know if I should. I'm not really. I don't know. For the eye look, I'm not honestly thinking about anything. I honestly just want to try the foundation and then just do like an everyday makeup how I normally do, which is basically just concealer up here and nothing else. Maybe a little brown bronzer or a brown color in my crease. I'm not sure, but yeah, I think I'm gonna just do everyday makeup look and maybe throw on some beauty marks. And then yeah, we're just gonna see how the foundation lays on my skin and all that stuff. Even though it says like 30 hour wear, I don't have 30 hours because I don't even know what time it is. I think it's 7 or 8 o'clock at night, and I'm not going nowhere. I'm going to go get myself ready and prepped to put on some moisturizer and some primer, and then we'll come back and try this and see how well it applies and stuff. Okay, I'm back and I did my skin prep and stuff, and now it's time to try the foundation. If you can hear noise in the background, I'm sorry. She waited till now to want to start to vacuum, so yeah. So now it's time to try the Super Stay. Ooh, and it's a pump. I did not know it was a pump. I thought it was like a pour, but it's a pump. I love that. And what I normally do, what I need to do is get like a mixing plate for my makeup so I could just put it on the plate. Hopefully this is my shade, because I was just in Walmart and just picked up something. Hopefully this is my shade. If it's not my shade, oh well. And I get a flat top brush and blend that into my skin. And normally I do like my eyes and my brows first, but I have changed up my routine. So if you would like to see like the whole routine, comment down below and let me know. I think this too light. Yeah, oh, on camera it looks nice, but in person, it's giving something. I don't know what it's giving. We'll see. We're gonna continue to put this all over. On camera it looked like it fit like perfectly, so maybe it do. That brush was picking up a lot of product, so I'm gonna take another squirt of that and use my beauty blender to get on my nose. It smells a little alcohol-y. Not a fan of that, because why does it smell like that? Okay, for this foundation, it's giving that it's lightweight, so I have to get out a lot. I didn't use 4 pumps just to do my face. I haven't even got under my eyes yet, so yeah, I'm not quite sure. And then, like I said, it looks like it's not my shade. Like on camera it looks okay. In person, I don't know what I'm getting. What am I getting? I don't know. Okay, no, on camera it looks light. It looks weird. Ugh. I'm just gonna use a whole lot of contour to make it look better. Okay, I'm gonna just go do the rest off camera and I'll be back and tell you my final thoughts on this foundation. Probably should get a different color, because 370, it's not looking like it's giving what it's supposed to give. Hey y'all, I'm back and I finished all I'm gonna do for tonight. I don't feel like doing anything else. I wish I could show you how it looks in person. It looks really, really good in person, but it's not giving that on camera. And I don't like that. But this is what it's giving. Real cute, real cute. I did like, you know, some simple, some slight. I just put concealer on my lids, did my brows. I put dark lip liner on and pink in the center. And, you know, highlighter and all the good things. And I feel like it looks pretty cute. It would probably look even better if I had lashes on. But since I'm just doing this makeup for a little second and I'm taking it off, I didn't want to put the lashes on. I'm lazy. But, yeah. I think it looked really, really good. On camera I look weird. But we're gonna pass that. Anyway, what I do have to know is my skin looks amazing. I don't know what's in this foundation, but everything laid on it perfectly. So my skin looks chef's kiss. Like A1. Like so pretty. I love it. So yeah. Ooh, let me see. Let me see if it look different on my phone, and then I could be able to, you know, put it, like show it to you. Oh yeah, it looks totally different, but also still weird. Like, what is happening to me? What is happening to me? I'm not quite sure. I don't know what's going on. Your girl is lost. Your girl is confusion. I mean, also I do use two powders, and I use too much of one on the bottom of my chin, so it looks off. But let me screen record real quick. Screen record so you can see what I'm looking like, see what it's giving. I think it's giving cute, you know, but I don't know. But let me see. Can you see the skin? See, the skin is looking like skin. Like, it looks so good. Like, oh my god, looks so good. I put the screen recording over here so you can see what's going on. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to try this new foundation out and see, and honestly, it gets a 10 out of 10 for me. 10 out of 10. Would use it again. You know, normally I was using my Fenty Love Her Down, but I wanted to try more stuff. And we know me, I'm a product junkie, so I buy a lot of stuff. And then I also tried the Makeup Revolution IRL thing. This is really good, but it's not my shade. I got the wrong shade, which is fine, which is cool, because we know we can just doctor it up and then it still look good. But yeah, I really like this one. Would I try it again? Yes. Feel like I look really, really cute. Not on camera though, because on camera it looks weird, but in person it looks okay. So yeah, hopefully it'll look different when I edit, so you won't understand what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it, and if you'd like to see more or me try other things, comment down below and I'll get that video out for you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next one. But before you go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and click that little bell button so you never miss the next time I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.